video looks funny. I think I have to save it. Oosh, I lost it. Where did this video go? I know I just watched it right now. Have you ever lost a TikTok video you love but forgot to save? Don't worry, I'm going to show you exactly how to find it on TikTok. TikTok doesn't have a straightforward watch history tab like how YouTube does. But guess what? There is a hidden way to see all those past videos that you have watched. Now let's get straight into it. Alright, so if you are on TikTok and you want to find or get a history of all videos that you've watched, maybe you have lost those videos, but this is the trick that you need. So when you check on top right, you see the search icon here. Alright, so when you come to the search button, then just put dots. So just a full stop here. And then when you finish, you'll hit on the search here. So when you tap on the search, now you see view your watch history. So this is where you can find all videos that you've watched previously on TikTok. So just tap on it, and now when you tap on it, now it gives you access to all the various videos that you've watched. So these are the videos that I've watched recently. So as you can see today, you can even filter it to see videos that you've watched yesterday, videos that you watched last week, videos that you watched last month, or you can even come to date range and then specify the day that you want to see that particular video that you watch. So this is a trick that you can use to find histories of videos that you've watched on TikTok. Now feel free to share these tips to friends and family, and you can also hit on the like button to share this video also to friends. Now don't forget to subscribe if today happens to be your first time. Now see you in the next video. Bye bye.